Most complete comprehensive. It's fixed. We have the short cute. The short circuit.
Welcome back to another great episode. What's on the table? This is Jose Montalvo, and I'm here with
Diego.
We're here today to talk to you about Sonnax. Sonnax develop, designs, improve. Their products are always coming up on top shop products winner. So why don't we talk to you a little bit about what we have on the table today. Zip kit, they're very easy to install. You can do that upgrade you want to do in that ball body. So when you have that pressure loss with a zip kit, you'll be able to fix it. You're gonna have a better smooth shift. Instructions are available in each box, so that way you know where to install it, what to do, and what to add. The line product booster kit is available. This one in particular for 4L60, 4L65, 4L70. It helps with a smooth shift. It's also for commercial application, for heavy duty, and it's available at GFX.
Okay guys, next we have the short cure. This is an amazing product from Sonnax. We have it available at GFX. This one in particular is for 4L60, 4L65, 4L70, GM. It's late models is the most complete kit. It's like a zip kit, but it's actually better. If you want the customer never to call you again, never to complain about their valve body problems, you just use the short cure, okay? Last but not least, guys, we have the performance pack. This one is available for 4L60, 4L65, 4L70, 4L80, and also for our 100 models. We have them available at GFX. This one in particular is HP-4L60-01. Is your kit for heavy duty commercial vehicles, and it's the best choice to use for a stronger, faster, reliable transmission. And it's available at GFX. Call, subscribe. If you have any questions, call us at.
Give us a thumbs up,
Subscribe.
like, comments.
No, don't like.
Don't like?
Visit us on www.gfx.
Okay, yo pensaba que estábamos. We also have YouTube page.
Channel.
Okay.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to
Visit us in our channel on YouTube.
and subscribe to us for more videos.
We also are in social media.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.